Hi everyone, this is our video to help you to learn the Kate Bush Wuthering Heights dance. Neither Joe nor I are professional dancers. I'm desperately trying to learn the dance again. Joe's only just learned the dance, so we're not going to look perfect. But when you use this video to learn, you're going to look much better than us. However, the point isn't to look brilliant, the point is to make sure we have lots of fun. So that's really what we should be aiming for. So when you use this to learn, think of us as a mirror. This is going to be your left side, this is going to be your right side. Okay, the song starts with you on your knee, with your left knee raised, looking down. Okay, right arm comes up, right up, go back first, and forward, and bring it back down. Now look to your right, look forward, then your right hand comes down in front of your face, up you get, stretch up, go to your left, big step to your right, back into the middle, then hands under your chin. Then a walk like this, like a sort of zombie walk which you can travel. We're going round in a circle, and then we get ready for a spin before the chorus which is coming, and here we go, spin to your right, and kick with your right leg, kick, right, home, you're so cold, let me in through your window, and then your left hand comes down, kick with your right leg again, me, Kathy, have come home, so cold, me in through your window, left hand comes down, and then a spin, and the right hand comes out, start, out this side, and then spin to your right, hands on your temple, your elbows come in, hands go out in front of your face, then fall through like this. Hands come in like the Macarena, right arm first, turn them over, bit of a sway, and then on master, your hands are here. Right, and sway, start small, now we'll get bigger like you're skating. Ready to spin to your right before the chorus, and spin. Kick with your right leg. So cold, and window, left arm, and kick again. Home, so cold, left arm. Right, now you've got a rope, give it a pull, and a big pull, let me drag, hands in front of your chin like this, and flying backwards. And the pull inside again, then right arm comes up to point, you know, up to the right, then a big sway left to right, and then spin around your head, then the chorus again. So cold, window, again this is the last time now. So cold, and window, left arm, right, your right arm comes out, turn it over, then start swaying. Right, we're going right to the outro now, and all you're doing is swaying with your right hand, you come up above your head, and at this point everyone can do whatever they want. We're just having fun on the harbour arm from now all the way to the end of the song. And that's it, you've learnt the dance. So we look forward to seeing you all on the 30th of July on the Harbour Arm. See you all then, bye!